My name's Seth and welcome back for another video. In this one we are going to build the sixth part and it's called the hub flange. This is the picture of the hub flange and this is the final design using SolidWorks. So let's begin by creating a new file and let's select the part design. Select the front plane, change the view. The first sketching is not very hard, so just follow me while sketching and see you after creating the whole sketch, and let's go. Good, now we have the full form that we need. Well, it's really painful when you create the sketch, but there is nothing new to learn, but it's a very good exercise to get familiar with some technical problems on the sketches. Now we can exit the sketch and let's use the extrude boss feature. Make sure you select your sketch. First I would change blind to mid-plane and the depth should be 3 mm. Here on the selected contours, I will select the region here and then click OK. And here we got the form of the hub flange. Now the new thing about this part is that we are going to use the combine. So first let's insert a part and let's insert the last part that we created. It is the part 5, so click OK. Good. Now we just imported our part and this is how it looks like. But now we should go back to edit the feature of the part that we just inserted and click on locate part with move or copy feature. Then click OK. That will give you the main settings. So I'm going to select this face and this one. And let's add a distance here. Let's rotate. And let's change the distance to 15. Now click OK. Perfect. Now the feature that we are going to use is the combine. So you can find it here on features, combine. And the main body is this one and the body to combine is the part 5. Make sure you select the subtract here, then click OK. OK again. Here as you can see we have a part that we don't need, so let's just delete it by using a feature called delete or keep a body. So you can find it on insert, features and delete or keep body. So the body to delete is this one and make sure you click on delete bodies, then click OK. And here we just deleted the body that we don't need. Now we need a last feature, which is the cut extrude, and let's begin our sketching to finish our form. So click on this face here, click on the sketch. The sketching again is very easy, so see you after creating the sketch. And that's all we need for the extruded cut. So now let's exit the sketch. The feature is extruded cut. Make sure you select the sketch and let's make it through all. Now click OK. Click OK again. And here we got the form that we need on the hub flange. The last thing to add is some fillets. So I'm going to select these edges here. Well, I should have been selected them before the circular pattern, but no problem. Now click on the fillet and let's make it a 5 radius fillet. Now click OK. Good. Now I'm going to select this face and the other one and let's make it a fillet with 0.5 radius. Click OK. And finally, we just finished the hub flange. In the next video, we have the Marcel cushioning plate, which is this one on the image. So see you on the next video and peace out.